Welcome back to our network design series. In today's episodes, we are diving into the backbone of smart network planning, reference architecture models. Think of them as the master blueprints that help align your network with both business goals and technical needs. Whether you are setting up a cozy office setup or building out a massive enterprise network, these models help you design something scalable, reliable, and rock solid. So what are they? Why do they matter? And how can they supercharge your network design? Let's jump in. What are reference architecture models? A reference architecture is like a tried and true template for building complex systems, especially networks. It gives you a structured plan to meet specific goals while sticking to best practices. Imagine trying to build a house without blueprint. Pretty risky, right? That's where the reference architecture comes in. They make sure every piece of your network puzzle fits together just right. Why they matter? Here is why using reference architecture is a game changer in network design. Consistency. They standardize how you structure network components, making everything easier to manage. Scalability. They grow with your business. Adding users, new offices, or shiny new tech, no problem. Efficiency. No need to reinvent the wheel. Start with a proven framework and save time. Reduce risk. They bake in the best practices to avoid common design pitfalls. Business alignment. They ensure your network helps meet key business goals like cutting costs or boosting performance. What's inside a reference architecture? A solid reference architecture usually includes business architecture, aligns to network with your company goals and operation. Technology architecture, the tech and tools that make it all happen. Design principle, guidelines for things like performance, security, and scalability. KPIs, metrics that show whether your design is actually delivering results. Business architecture and design principles. Business architecture focus on how your network supports big picture goals. That might mean faster service for customer, better efficiency, or smoother cloud integration. Guiding principles help you steer your design decision. Here are the big ones. Scalability. Can your network grow as your business grows? Flexibility. Will it adapt to new tech or workflows? Efficiency. Is it cost effective without cutting corners? Reliability. Does it minimize downtime and deliver high availability? Frameworks help bring structure to the house. The two of the most popular are TOGAF. Align IT with the business strategy. It's a step-by-step guide to build and maintain architecture. Example, designing a cloud-based network to support remote work using a TOGAF. A Zachman framework breaks down your design from multiple angles. What, how, where, who, when, and why. Example, using a Zachman to assess network security from every perspective. Picking the right framework. Choosing the right one depends on your needs. Small business, look for simple, cost-effective frameworks. Large enterprise, go big with something like TOGAF to handle complexity. These frameworks are like GPS for your network design journey, helping you navigate every step of the way. KPIs, measuring network success. KPIs are your network's report card. Use them to check if your design is hitting the mark. Uptime, is the network up and running when it should be? Latency, how fast is your data moving? User satisfaction, what's the feedback from real users? Having a solid KPIs ensures you are not just building a network, you are building a better one. Chain. Picture this, a retail chain is expanding across multiple cities. They need a network that connects every store to centralized system, offers in-store Wi-Fi for customers, keep POS systems secure. A reference architecture would suggest hierarchical setup linking data centers regional hubs and stores, security features like firewalls and VPN, scalable components to handle future growth, results a future-ready network built to support business expansion. Challenges you might face. It's not all smooth sailing. Some common hurdles include complexity. Big frameworks can be tough for small teams. Customization. Adapting a standard models takes skills. Change management. Rolling out a new architecture might cause temporary disruptions. Overcoming these takes a teamwork, planning, and clear focus on long-term wins. Want to build like a pro? Here are some resources to help. Design tools. Platforms like Cisco DNA Center or SolarWinds streamline planning. Documentation. Keep detailed records for future upgrades and consistency. Training. Certification like CCDE give you the skill to master reference architecture. The future of reference architecture. As a network evolves, so do these models. Keep an eye on cloud-centric designs, supporting hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Automation and AI, simplify management and boosting security. Edge computing, bringing processing closer to IoT devices and users. Keeping up with the trends, ensure your architecture stays ahead of the curve. Reference architecture models are more than just templates. They are the foundation of powerful, future-proof network design. They bring structure, reduce risk, and keep your network aligned with business goals. Whether you are building a small or scaling up to global levels, these models help you get it right the first time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video in our series.